Imagine waking up every day and using free AI tools to make money online, without any special skills. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that can actually pay you daily as a beginner. Welcome to AI Profit Hub, your #1 channel for AI tools and making money online. Let's get started. Number 1 is ChatGPT. This free AI tool can write blog posts, YouTube scripts, emails, product descriptions, and even full business plans in seconds. You can use ChatGPT to offer services on Fiverr and Upwork like content writing, copywriting, and script writing. Many beginners are already making $5 to $20 per task using only this tool. Number 2 is Canva AI. Canva's AI can generate logos, YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and digital products in minutes. You can make money by creating thumbnails for YouTubers, selling design templates, or managing Instagram pages for small businesses. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money daily with zero experience. Number 3 is Copy.ai. This tool creates high-converting marketing content for businesses. You can use it to write ad copies, product descriptions, and email campaigns for clients. Businesses are always looking for people to help them grow, and you can get paid for each small project you complete. Number 4 is Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI allows you to generate stunning AI images for free. You can sell these images as t-shirt designs, book covers, wall art, or even offer AI image creation services on freelance platforms. Some creators are making money every single day just by generating and selling AI art. Number 5 is Pictory AI. Pictory turns simple text into professional videos automatically. You can use it to create faceless YouTube videos for yourself or for clients. This means you can get paid to create videos without showing your face or recording with a camera. Now imagine combining these tools together. You can use ChatGPT to write scripts, Canva to design thumbnails, Leonardo AI for images, and Pictory to create videos. That's a complete online business powered by free AI. If you're serious about making money with AI, start with just one tool from this list today and stay consistent. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Profit Hub for more videos on AI tools, online income, and step-by-step beginner guides. Which of these AI tools are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe and comment.